Hello children, in this video we are going to study how to make medians. So for making median, we will first have to make a triangle. It can be any type of triangle. Just draw an outline of a triangle with any measure and then cut it out. Now we have to make the median. So median is connection of the midpoint and the opposite vertex. So this is the side we are going to get the midpoint on. So what we do is we just take and press the middle of it just to get the midpoint. Now this is our midpoint. And what we are going to do is we are going to connect it to the opposite vertex using a scale. So just put the scale on the vertex and the connecting point of the middle point and then connect it. Now this is our median. Call this A, D, B and C. Now when you are sticking it to your book, you just fold it like this along the line over here and you fold only this part of it so that this part remains free. So this is our median AD. Next we are going to see how to make an altitude. Now altitude, like you know that it's perpendicular on any one of the vertex. So again we can take a triangle of any measure and just fold it in such a way that we get a straight line. Means the bottom of it falls line on line and the folding should fall on the vertex. So this is how it must look. This is our altitude. Altitudes are basically 90-degree forming line. So this is here our altitude. So here 90 degrees is formed. So what you have to do is you can paste the bigger part or the smaller part. Anyone you paste it, the remaining part has to be free. Okay, so this is our altitude. Let's name it. Call it A, K, B and C. So this is our altitude of the triangle ABC, AK. Any one of the altitudes we have just taken out. Now in the next activity we are going to prove angle sum property of a triangle. So in this what we do, again we get a triangle. It can be any triangle. Now what we have to do is we have to get some points in such a way that all the vertices come and connect there. So like this, just take the topmost part and let it come and touch the lower base, the base of the triangle. So like this one. And then next one, it should come here like this, and the last one here. So what happened here is we got all the vertices, and when they come in one point they form a straight line. That means all the angles of a triangle is first angle, second angle, this is first angle, second angle and third angle. When you add them all up, it comes to 180 degree. Now how to paste this in your book, activity booklet? Just paste this middle rectangular part, the rest of it can be left free. So this is your angle sum property proved. Angle sum property is proved in this manner. Name the triangle, call it A, B and C. So this is how the completed activity would look like. This is how we prove angle sum property of a triangle.